All right, so now we are in the Book of Mormon. You'll notice a few things. There's the chapter. This first part is kind of the summary of what's in this chapter, and then starting in verse 1, this is the actual text. You'll notice that some words are highlighted in blue and have a small letter above them. So in this case, verse 1 has an A next to the word repented. So if we tap on that, it pulls up what we call a cross-reference. So this is referencing another scripture, this case in the Book of Mormon. Right here we can read the text that is referenced. If once we're done reading that, or we just want to go back, we can swipe that away, or you can tap the X. If you want to see all of the references and footnotes in this chapter together, we can swipe from the right side of the screen, and it pulls that back up. And here, this little button that's got like the 4 bars and 2 dots, this will show all of the references in this chapter, as well as some additional resources. Here's a picture of Alma baptizing, which is what happens in this chapter. There's a video we can watch, and more pictures, and then more cross-references. So these are really useful for, as you're studying, learning a little bit more about what may be talked about in a given verse.